Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Azam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. So basically what we're really looking at in terms of a market is, of course, the US markets hit an all-time high yesterday because the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones, they're still very much maintaining their upward momentum. However, there's one important thing. When we look at the futures for the S&P 500 futures, what we see is that, yes, we are very much on track to post a new higher high for this particular week as compared to the last week. But this is not the same when it comes to the Dow Jones index, because that momentum is certainly fading after that move, a bit of a base which was formed. Now the upward momentum, which is still very much intact, it is still but it is losing that steam in other words. So what we really wanted to see is a massive break from the previous highs. Now, how that breakout can happen is based on two major factors. Number one, of course, it is the stimulus, and we know that these stimulus conversations, they've been going on for a long time. Still, there's no resolution in relation to that, despite the fact that Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell is saying that, look, you know what, we are going to work over the weekend, we are going to get the deal through, because without that, the government is very, very likely to shut down over in the United States. And then the stimulus package is still in, the conversations are still taking place for 980 billion or so. So let's see if we get that can really support the market. But in the short term, the focus is once again very much on the rise in coronavirus cases, how the business disruption is happening. And all of this comes on the heel of this particular factor, that the Fed has assured the market that we are not going to change the interest rate. We are not going to change our monetary policy. And that pushed the dollar index lower. So when the dollar started to move lower, what happened in the commodity market is that we saw this surge in gold prices. Obviously, gold prices went all the way to 1830 prior to that, but then this massive bounce happened, and then now they're trading at 1880 to 1890 price level. But we still need the price to break above the 1900 price level in order for this momentum to really continue. Now, in terms of a Bitcoin price, the good thing is that, yes, we are above the 20K price level. We are trading at 22,000, which is certainly very, very positive. But the next major headline when it comes to Bitcoin, for me especially, is going to be when the prices will break above the 50,000 price level. That's all for today. See you guys next time.